po sa isang donor. No? Tapos may preference yung donor na hindi po siya pwedeng i-access. Then we have to respect the preference of the donor. And this will be further discussed bukas on archival administration in the after. Aside from that, meron din kami provision as to the creation and preservation of public archives. Na pag sabihin po natin public archives, definition po ng public ng isang archives, this will be discussed bukas ng hapon. Tatlo po yan. Meron tayong archives as document, archives as institution, and archives as repository. No? So yan, creation. So, yan. Tapos, may question po kayo po.
Recording in progress.
May question po ba? Sige, pag may question kayo, pwede na lang dun sa after ng aking discussion. No? I will, this 20 minutes before 12 noon, yun po yung time natin for question and answer. So, aside from that, meron kaming gumagawa po kami, no, ng mga regulations, no, pertaining to records management, pertaining to management of public records. So, yan, gumagawa din kami ng mga programa pertaining to records management. Why? Kasi dapat natin, sabihin ko as one of our administrative functions, dapat po natin ma-achieve yung highest level of public accountability. So, pag public accountability natin, so meaning to say, note that we as records custodian, we are accountable of the records we have. No? So, at the same time, to ensure na yung mga records na yan, na-retain yung mga value nila. This value will be discussed, no? Bukas na umaga. Value as evidence, no? In all government activities. Rights, entitlements. Pag sabihin po natin rights, no? Let's say, for example, contracts. No? The right of the first party and the right of the second party. Entitlements and other document historical and cultural heritage can be assessed. So yan. So gagawa kami ng mga palisiya, no, in connection to the records that are being created in the exercise or in every government activities. Ngayon, meron tayong tinatawag na seminar. So itong seminar ito natin ginagawa na ngayon, this is a hybrid po na seminar. And this is one of the activity ng DOJ Regional Prosecution Office Region 8. So since activity ito, meron pong mga records na nag-recreate. Ano po yung records na yun? Pagpasok pa lang natin, meron po tayong papel saan tayo pumirma. And that is what we call as attendance sheets. And that attendance sheets, that is a public records. So, yung attendance sheets na yan, na-create yan in result ng isang activity po ng isang government office. So, kayo, sa prosecution, meron din kayong activity, no? So, ano yung nakikreate ninyo? Preliminary investigation, no? Meron kayong nakikreate ng mga records during the preliminary investigation, no? Before filing a complaint, no? Dun sa korte, no? Meron kayong makikitang probable cause. Yan. So, yan. Yung mga records during preliminary investigation, records, public records yan. Kasi yan po yung result sa activity na ginagawa po ng isang prosecutor. Yan. Tapos, meron din tayo mga provision against disposal of public records. So, bawal po tayo ma-dispose. Especially those tinatawag natin protected records po ng mga local government agencies. Bakit po may protected records po sa teaching local government agency? Because yung mga local government agencies na i-exist to before sa mga national government offices. Now, we have also mandatory transfer ng yun sa provision po ng batas. Those non-current records more than 30 years, pwede nyo yung i-transfer doon sa National Archives. Yung mga designs ng sariling building nyo, yung mga architectural designs, o yung mga deeds ng building nyo, pwede nyo yung i-transfer doon sa National Archives. Kaya nga merong nangyaring lindol dun sa Bohol. Merong nasira na mga simbahan. Na-restore din siya. Bakit ko na-restore? Kasi yung mga plano po ng mga simbahan, some of the churches in Bohol, yung mga plano nila nandun sa National Archives of the Philippines. No? So yan. So meron din tayo mga different transfer, no, na i-discuss yan later.